With a common denominator.
And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. You the man.
Todd Father.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Yeah. Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
Hey, good afternoon. Welcome to everybody. We got stocks holding gains. Crypto's under pressure again. I was even a little more friendly crypto last night around 33.8. So we're 1150 below that. Still seems quite a bit of FUD coming in. You name it. From everywhere. Everyone's liquidating and scared. I still think we're trying to make a low here, so we'll go over that. And if we are going lower, I still don't think it's that much lower. Stocks still look higher. We got some decent positions there. There's Nick at the Gold Wyckoff SMI Learn Crypto. If you got any questions for him. What's up, Sarka? Crypto CR, Daniel, Matt, Zimmy, Mark, call a call, TY, Big House, what's going on, Miles? So Bitcoin 32,650, Ethereum 2466, Litecoin 158.30. Let's go to the bigger screen. Hold on here a second. So there in front of us, the Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index that we show. Green arrows, as everybody knows, is the buy signals with technometer down around 40. We did get to about a 40.16, I think it was, last night. Didn't get any better today. We are at 41.34. You can see we've got the OP hitting new lows while price is still holding above the lows there of, what was that, May 18th, May 19th. Technometer again down near close to oversold. So that's why I got friendly last night. And then also if you look at Bitcoin USD consolidated, new lows by the blue line in the OP while price is still holding. We did come down and spring that 31 and change level. So that could be called a spring even right there with an oversold technometer. We did get down to 38.2 on the technometer. So again, not screaming buys, but right down there where we're oversold. So I think you want to add on a little bit down here. A lot of people looking for that a break to new lows. Even Elliott Wave here is looking for that. Elliott Wave International is looking for that. So again, I think that could happen. But I think also the odds are that the low possibly could already be in. Here's Ethereum USD consolidated. You can see stronger. Did not come down and spring any of these previous levels. To me, it looks like a triangle for upside resolution. You can see also here the OP goes to a new low for the move. Technometer down near oversold. Really as oversold as we've been in on Ethereum recently. So Ethereum looks like it could lead us out of here. I mean, accumulation, I mean, with the OP hitting new lows, it shows selling is coming in while price is still trying to hold. That would be signs of accumulation still. So I think we need to see how we rally out of here. I mean, Bitcoin made a 31,000 low. We're at 32,730. So bouncing off the low some. What's up, Johnny? Patrick? So if we go and let's look at You know, I was friendly on stocks last Thursday. That worked. The green arrow here on Wyckoff Wave Growth Index. Same thing. We had selling on a short-term basis between the C and the E of the triangle. Price was holding while volume came into the downside and an oversold technometer. That gave us a perfect buy. We've taken out what I think is the triangle resistance. Got above the D wave high, so I think we still can go higher on stocks. Now the technometer has came to closer to overbought because we are getting a little bit of buy volume coming in. But I don't think we want to sell stocks yet. So I still look for higher on stocks. We've got SPY, same type of thing. We had a buy there around 417. We're at 422. Technometer has went to overbought. So could be a warning sign, but I'm not taking that as a sell signal yet. My other general market indices are not really overbought yet. There's QQQ, 48.5. Again, we had a buy signal on that breakdown to 330. So a couple percent higher. Still waiting to see if we can still work higher. I thought the favorable stock environment would lead to cryptos being a little bit more favorable, but that has not happened yet. Quickly, we're going to go through a few stocks. Here's Yeti that we're long. For pro traders, we're long around 85. It's 93.88. We're long Activision. Long that at 92 and change. We're 96.80. We're long Square. On Square, we're just small profits here. Maybe a buck and a half. We're long Silvergate SI. That's one that ride out the hole pretty well. We are testing what I think is a spring there. We're long down around 90 and change. You can see oversold technometer. Mara, Riot, some of these don't look as good. So I think Silvergate maybe is still one if you want some crypto type holding in your stock portfolio. Silvergate here could be okay. We're long Microsoft. That one had a nice bump up the last few days. We're long that around 245 and change. We're 252 and change. Those look higher. I'm still long TLT with losses, but I am recovering some losses. I thought we might rally up to the overbought line of the uptrend. So, and again, I thought that would lead to crypto being better. So just a lot of FUD in crypto. Stock rally, bond rally is not helping over there so far. Still short GDX. Just came off another overbought reading a few days ago. Breaking down a little bit here. So overbought technometer is shown by the two red circles. So I still think GDX could work lower and Dust work higher, which were along with losses as well. GBTC is, hold on here a second. I was trying to get that updated. It will not update into my software, so I can't give an overbought, oversold reading on GBTC. If we just look at it, I mean, I think still, once again, we are, let's add it here into my Yahoo. For some reason, it's not adding. Not sure what's going on there, but I mean, GBTC I still think in the big wave 4 as well, which means we're going to go higher. If we go back to roadmaps we've been showing, let's do that here. It's going to look the same way, Daniel. A little more selling over there with that trading at a discount. Last time I was here, I thought we had a triangle maybe ending around that 36,000 level. Now I think what it was an ABC, the downside. So we completed the B wave possibly this morning on the break to 31, which still means we could rally out of here strongly on this count, which means, again, wave 4 is still just going to move sideways for maybe another month here. I have shown that the rally out to low was a 1, and that we could have just completed a big wave 2, which means we're going sharply higher. I don't like that count as much because of the recent weakness. I kind of prefer this count better, where it's not straight up to new highs, but we do more work. Ethereum kind of looks the same way. We had an A up. We've had a stronger move here in Ethereum for a triangle maybe that ended this morning. And then we could have a rally up, let's say closer to 4,000. So that's kind of my thoughts there. Is we're still trying to put a low in here because of the OP hitting new lows, price holding, and the oversold technometers. Trying to throw a roadmap on that for Elliott wave, which again, I think this is how the roadmap looks. We still try to make a low here. It's definitely high risk. I mean, everyone's looking for, everyone's looking more so now on Elliott wave after they've been extremely bullish, would be that we're coming down. I've seen even objectives down around 22, 23,000. Again, I don't think that's the case. I think worst case we could come down maybe and breach 28,000 or something. Now that should be really the first part of the correction, so we could have a rally up to, let's say, 50,000 and then another break below 28. Again, that's not my preferred count. But today's, the last weakness, last day and a half is making that definitely viable. So we come down and break the 29, 30,000 and scare the shit out of everybody. Again, a few other coins here. SOL, one of the coins on my screen that has recovered. Let's go to a 2-hour chart. There's SOL still holding in pretty well. 39.76. BNB is one that we've still been on. Again, holding up pretty well. Doji 0.3289. Matic strong off that 85 low, and then has been a little bit weaker since then. Hopefully today's low will try to hold. So I still think I try to be long some of these things, looking still for higher. But again, do your own research. Be careful. It's extremely risky. Seems like sentiment is horrible from everybody. But that's what we need to make lows. So I wish my stock market indicators were a little bit more friendly here, but it does look like there's more upside. So possibly put some more upside in the stocks, have a little pullback and have another buy signal there would be ideal, and then crypto continue to try to work higher. So crypto would pull back maybe a little bit here this afternoon. I think nibbling on a little bit with maybe stops at the low of today would even work. Let's go and look at some of these crypto stocks. Alex will go back. Here's Silvergate that I mentioned. Looks like maybe a spring and a test. Technometer down here to oversold. On the green circle. If we go to Riot, some of these don't look as good. Riot 43.9 on the technometer, but we have had the OP working higher, like somebody is trying to accumulate here. So I do think, again, some of these probably have made a bottom because Bitcoin, I think, has bottomed. Mara has reversed out the lows as well. You can see on the technometer 41.3, but that is considered, what's caught the lows in Mara before. So it's off the low again this morning. So these could be spring and tests. Which if I'm right on stocks, if I'm right on crypto, that's exactly what it is. And here's MSTR. Same type of thing. Not as pretty as a chart. Technometer is 55 because you have had buying come in over the last week while price has fallen. So I think that's kind of weird action. But I think since I'm bullish on cryptos here, I think that's probably, you could purchase some here. But Monster's got a lot going on with their bond offerings, etc. I mean, definitely, it seems like everyone's bearish, giving up on the bull case. Hard to believe in a few weeks we went from so bullish to so bearish. That's what markets do. So. $32,800 Bitcoin, kind of the recovery high here if we look at the 5-minute chart. Five-minute chart off the bottom. So again, if we get a little bit of a pullback here maybe this afternoon, pick up some few things, maybe pick up a few things here if you're underinvested. And let's see if we can hold today's low. If not, we go down and sweep 28. And yeah, that would knock out a lot of longs, knock out probably all leverage, etc. Cool, Johnny. Glad you're in there with some shorts. Patreon.com/learncrypto, 40 bucks a month if you want any ideas from Nick and I. No more questions. Well, we had Big House ask about EOS. Let's go and look at that. EOS USD consolidated. See technometer here. This is a 3-month chart. Technometer down to oversold the last 2 days, while OP is hitting new lows. Same thing, I would think EOS is making a low here. I hear you, Johnny. Let's look at Matic while we're here. Matic USD consolidated. Technometer 41.3. Again, that's kind of been oversold levels before for Matic. So definitely could support a rally here. So that was just a quick update. Really, that's about all that I've got here. Zcash, we can do that. ZEC USD consolidated, 140 plus exchanges. See technometer here, extreme oversold at 36, new low in the OP. So again, I think some of these are, I think you got to pick some of these up down here. Do your own research, not individual investment advice. Here's the link, USD. Same thing, technometer 39.8, new lows in the OP, price holding higher. Doji is not in my system. All I can do is go to Trading View, bring up the 4-hour. Again, it looks like this would be a solid low at 22. We're doing a sideways triangle here, and probably still higher in Doji. So That's definitely not my recommendation. Hard for me to trade Doji, but definitely a good trading coin. So if you trade that one, I would think higher from here. What up, Wog? So that's all I got. Stocks higher, crypto hopefully trying to make a low here. Wipe out some of this bearishness. And getting action, I'll try to be here tomorrow same time. Best way to research cryptocurrencies, I would join patreon.com/learncrypto. I'm on the technicals. We got Nick on the fundamentals. Nick knows his game. He's proven that. If you need any fundamental research, he's the man. So $40 a month is cheap. If you want to learn how to trade, learncrypto.io is a lower price Wyckoff course, or otherwise wyckoffsmi.com. I've got the $1,000 regular Unleashed course, which is the original course with some updated charts that the Institute has always sold. And then I've also done a watered down version for less. So I'm out of here. Bitcoin 32,721. I'm going to run a couple commercials as usual, and then we'll catch you tomorrow. Appreciate a like and a share. Thank you.
Warren Buffett, American investor, business tycoon, and one of the wealthiest people in the world, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." But how is that possible? Well, knowledge is power. In 2020, it is no longer news that cryptocurrencies are the currency of the digital future. Bitcoin's stability amidst unprecedented global economic impacts from COVID-19 has proven once again that crypto is here to stay. Learning how to trade, when to trade, and where to trade crypto assets can make the difference between success and failure. At LearnCrypto.io, we offer a pathway to sustainable and lifelong wealth by helping open-minded beginners and experienced traders navigate the thin ice of the cryptocurrency markets. Live shows, interviews, coin reviews, fundamental analysis, predictive trading bots, and open chat access to a community of real traders. These are just a few of the benefits you'll receive with a membership on patreon.com/learncrypto. Sign up today if you strive to build yourself a brighter tomorrow.
Are you intrigued by cryptocurrency, but just aren't sure how you can get started investing? Maybe you are simply too busy to trade your own cryptocurrency account since it is 365 24/7. Don't hold back any longer. With LearnCrypto.io, you can have a seasoned professional show you how. Todd W. Butterfield is a leader in trading with numerous real money trading successes to his name over the years. He owns LearnCrypto.io, the original Wyckoff Stock Market Institute, WyckoffSMI.com, as well as the Black Bay Group, a registered investment advisor. He has also created state-of-the-art software, consolidating over 100 plus crypto exchanges volume, as well as his own Wyckoff proprietary indicators. With today's stressful and busy lifestyles, isn't it time you considered having a knowledgeable investor manage your crypto account? In these unprecedented times, it is the perfect season to seriously consider LearnCrypto.io's private client group and add cryptocurrencies to your investment portfolio.
Do you personally invest or trade stocks? Then you'll want to gain access to our private Discord channel. By subscribing to our pro traders at WyckoffSMI.com, you'll receive individual stock suggestions based upon the Wyckoff method, review possible trade setups, as well as receive emails when any trade suggestions are given. But if you're too busy to manage your own stock portfolio, consider our private client group at our registered investment advisor, Black Bay Capital Advisors. You'll get the personal touch while we manage your stock portfolio for you through the trusted custodian, Charles Schwab. For an annual fee, you'll have more time to enjoy life while we focus on growing your portfolio. We'll be on the same side of the table, working to help you secure your long-term financial goals.
We'll see you all again. Sleep tight.